Hi everybody, this is Bob and the gang from Multiprint. If you're watching this video, then you're interested in product information on one of my monster kiosks. Look what I set out here, folks. Check this display out. This is an 8-foot by 24-foot wide monster kiosk. The customer contracted me to put 2 of these out on this corner. This is considered a one-sided viewing, which is parallel to the road, and the customer had me put 2 of these right angle perpendicular to each other, so it would be considered a 2-sided viewing. This is an 8-foot by 24-foot wide monster kiosk. This is steel frame construction. Monster kiosk is constructed of a steel frame construction that I skin with banner graphics. I use an 18-ounce blockout heavy-duty banner graphic, otherwise known as opaque. Opaque so the sun doesn't blast through and cause shadows. I provide a turnkey rental program which includes the artwork, delivery, installation, and removal of this rental item. This customer contracted me and ordered 2 8-foot by 24-foot wide monster kiosks that are out on display for a 1-year-long rental obligation. That's right, I put these out here on display for a 1-year obligation. These kiosks are mechanically secured with ground stakes and straps. Thank you for watching the video. My name is Bob Miller. I am the manufacturer and provide the rental program on this display. I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina. My shop telephone number is area code 704-335-4036. Thanks for watching the video. That's a wrap.